Hi, good day. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about time management when you start your online business. Usually our space, our time is filled every day. I mean, we have children running around, we have jobs, we have many things. And so you have to be really certain that you want to do this, that you want to develop your business, and you need to find ways to, make your time very productive. Okay. You can spend hours and hours on Facebook, you can file things, you can make endless lists, many things. I think the right in the beginning, the first thing you need to do is to realize that at least 1 or 2 hours per day you need to put towards list building or business building activities. Okay, this would include advertising your business, getting out to people, become visible to people. Okay, it doesn't count if you're sitting at home and you are on Facebook or whatever and you're not really talking about your business. These must be activities that really push your business forward. So even if you have 1 or 2 hours only to spend a day, you know that in that time you made yourself more visible. You maybe had 1 or 2 people follow you on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, whichever you're going to use. It's very, very important to become that focused in that time. It doesn't have to be a very big or long time, but it must be focused. You close yourself in your room or separate yourself from your family. Tell everybody, listen, I need to spend at least an hour just to do stuff for the business. Time management, obviously, also with this comes the importance of reading. And many people don't have time to read, they've never made any time to read. I find that if you just spend 5 or 10 minutes before you go to bed reading a book on positive mental attitude, on business development, on selling, many things, you actually slowly but surely broaden your knowledge. Okay, you don't have to study 1 book a day or something like that. You can really break it down into small bits. And that way, when you get up, every day you feel stronger because you are more positive, you learn more things. Plus you put in this extra 1 or 2 hours a day that is really focused on business building activities. Okay, how to build your list, how to grow your contact list, how to grow your future, because this is really the future of your business. So I hope that helps everybody. Have a good evening and see you soon. Bye.